DJ is back, baby! All jokes aside, guys, I am back on YouTube now and I'll be doing more full-time content like I was before, trying to get 2 videos a week out to you guys. But for the last couple of weeks, I've been so ill. It is a joke, unable to film, but the boy is back. And today is the first episode of a new series I'm doing for you guys. I did put the feelers out there for it a couple of months ago and everybody said they'd like to see it. So this is it. I am buying a house at 21. I wanted to buy a house in my local area, which is Kent. But I don't know if any of you guys know, but the house prices around this area are crazy. So I've had to go a little bit further away from home. I was up at Park Life Music Festival in Manchester at the weekend, so I thought kill 2 birds with 1 stone and go and view a property in Liverpool while I'm up there. And yeah, you can see what happens. The rest is yet to be seen. In this video, I'm going to take you in the house and show you guys what I'm looking at. It's a little bit damaged. Usually we do car rebuilds and car related stuff on this channel. Now we're looking at house rebuilds. The boy is moving up in the world. If you like what you see, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd love to hit 30k before October. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and follow the Instagram for day-to-day updates. And without further ado, let's jump into this brand new series. Bosh! So guys, before we jump into the rest of the video, I'd like to say a big thank you to today's sponsor, Wire Food. Wire Food has been sponsoring my videos for a while now, and I've got a great relationship with the guys down there because they and myself believe in sustainability and health and well-being, and they've upped their levels again. They've updated their brand and the bottles are 100% recyclable, and I love that. Wire Food is a complete meal drink. They're not protein shakes, they're not nourishment drinks, they are a full meal in a bottle. They're perfect for when you're on the go, when you're out and you're busy and you don't want to stop and eat more and more junk food. Within these bottles there are 26 minerals and vitamins. They're high in protein, they're high in fibre, they're lactose free, they're gluten free, and there's no added sugar in there whatsoever. So you know when you're driving along and you're drinking one of these, you've got the comfort of knowing you're not putting anything bad in your body. They come in 5 different flavours. I've actually drunk 2 of them already this week. But left, I've got the cold brew coffee, the smooth vanilla, and the crazy coconut. The coffee is the one I'm actually gonna drink right now. Banging. And then the happy banana and the alpine chocolate I've already drunk. They're my favourites. But today's one is the coffee. So a big thank you again to today's sponsor, Wire Food. Link in the description. Use my discount code to get you some money off. Yeah, give it a go, guys. See if they can change your day-to-day life as much as it's changed mine. Bosh. Back to the video. Today is the first day I am viewing a property. You know we're not in the local area because obviously I come from Kent. We're actually in Liverpool, and the reason is the property prices in Liverpool are so much cheaper than you can get anything from around my area. Like, I'm looking at this property today and the cost of the property is between 50 to 80,000. You can't even buy a shed in Kent for that. And I'll be honest with you, I don't want to put too much money in my first one, so that's why I've decided to come a bit further away from home and hopefully I can bag myself a little beauty. But we are literally a stone's throw from Everton's and Liverpool Stadium, so whilst I'm doing the renovation work, if I do buy it, we're definitely coming up and watching a few games. But the area we're in, I think we come under the Everton, so up the, what they called? Up whatever Everton is. Up the Evertons, boys, yes, come on. We're 5 minutes away from the property, so when we get there, I'll show you guys inside and see what it is, because this is the first time I've ever bought a property. I know absolutely nothing about houses. I know nothing, so this is the learning curve for me. I know how to buy damaged cars and fix them, but with houses, I haven't got a Scooby-Dooby-Doo. So, I'm excited. Let's see what happens when we get there. There she is, number 18 in Liverpool.
Oh, we didn't put the whole address there.
Number 18 Street in Liverpool, and yeah, she's looking beautiful. She does need a little bit of work. I'm trying to find a property that is a little bit sort of damaged, that's not the right word, like tired, one may say. So I need to do a little bit of work to it, and then my plan is to rent it out, providing I can do that. I'm not sure, so let's go inside and see what the property's got to offer us. Just like the people say on the programs, this is an upcoming area, and yeah, this is a great property. 2-bed upstairs, downstairs, with an opportunity for a family home. We're in the property right now. It's a 2-bedroom, 2 upstairs. It's got a nice little garden. It's on the market at the moment for £65,000, which is within my budget, but I think they're looking for offers above. So I had one offer around that price, which obviously hasn't been accepted yet. There's a little bit of damp downstairs, which is when you're buying a first property, you got to look for the damp, for the like cracks in the walls and stuff like that, like major red flags that would indicate not buying it. But usually with a terrace house, you're okay because you've got neighbours next door who aren't going to be living in damp. But it's quite spacious. Like a house like this in our area would be like 300k minimum. So you've got the one bedroom here. You come through here. We've got another bedroom over here. That's the master bedroom. This is like this would be your kid's bedroom. Or someone's had a little kick the wall there. Obviously got a bit angry. Don't want no angry tenants in here.
The doors keep closing, hand.
But yeah, it does need a good freshen up. The kitchen needs redoing. New carpet, paint, maybe some plaster in some places, curtains, all bits like that. But I did expect that, and I did want that, because what I can do then in a year's time is I can remortgage, pull some equity back out that I've actually added to the value of the property, and then go again. This is all stuff I've learned online and chatting to people. Was the toilet flush?
Don't flush it.
I don't think you need a new toilet. I'd probably change the bath panels just on FaceTime to my mum, guys, because she's a property expert. So there's a little bit of stuff up here as well.
Oh, is that the bay window there?
Yeah, we're literally just down the road from Everton football stadium, so I think we're going to be Everton fans. Up the Everton, up the, what are they called? What is the name for them? The Toffees. The Toffees, that's it, up the Toffees. Right, anyway, I'm going to go. So this is the garden. Not really a garden, it's just more of an outside area. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice, it's nice. You could put a little bit of decking down or something nice. Make it work, couldn't you? You could put your little bit of magic on it with your little design.
Wait, let me... Don't want to fall over.
What does that smell?
Old house.
Is that what it is?
Mhm.
It's a decent little kitchen, to be fair. Put a nice new fridge in there. Probably change a couple of doors or stuff like that. Just freshen it up a little bit. Maybe a new worktop. And then where like the tumble dryer is there, maybe put a door on that or something just to freshen it up. Don't know, but yeah, we're gonna shoot now and have a little chat on the way home. Maybe. I don't want to tell him. Might put an offer in. Never know. Never know. It's in the freezer. A towel. Nice. We are on the way back from my first property viewing, and I am so excited. This is such a different feeling to when you're gonna buy a car, because I don't know, like it's a house. It's a house. You can live in it. Like you can live in a car, granted, but you can't. Like it's just a house. It's nuts. I've spoke to the boss, aka Mum. She's had a look over it. She said she likes the look of it. She thinks it's a good property. I feel that as well. Lottie also feels that it's a good investment buy. So I think tomorrow, maybe, I might put an offer in. But do you know, I'm so scared that tonight it's just gonna sell like that. I should have, Lottie said, I should have looked at more properties up here so that if that did happen, that one did sell, I had others that I could then put offers in for if I felt that I wanted to. But I haven't done that, so it's part of the game. It is what it is. But we will see tomorrow morning. I'm going to sleep on it. I'm going to get a nice bit of sleep. We have got currently 3 hours and 30 minutes left, basically, till we get home. So yeah, I'm going to have a long, hard think. Oh look, a black M6 on the back of a trailer. Wonder what's up with that. I'm going to have a long, hard think, and who knows? I'll see you guys in the morning. Just to clarify it, when I say my mum the boss, the reason I say that is because she is a quantity surveyor, so she's very big in a property game and she knows what she's looking at. So rather than my inexperienced eyes just judging it and putting an offer in, I FaceTimed her, got her to have a look over it. She likes it. So, but then you do have a survey that gets done after you put an offer in, which then makes sure that everything is in order and there's no like excess damp, and then in some cases they actually lower the value of the property if there is a lot of damage, but I don't think there is. The property looks decent, so yeah, I'm gonna sleep on it, guys. Woo! Guys, it is now the morning. I had a long, hard sleep on it, and I think I'm gonna put an offer in, so I'm just gonna call the estate agents now. Hopefully the property hasn't sold overnight. I'd be absolutely gutted. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put an offer in. What do? Just call up and say I'd like to buy it? I don't know. Let's see. Hi there. I viewed a property on the street yesterday. My name's Henry, number 18, and I'd like to put an offer in for it. I did, but I've lost the card, unfortunately. No problem. There's no way I can do it over the phone or anything. It's better doing it on email, yeah. So I need photo ID, proof of funds. Obviously, that's just proof of deposit funds, and then mortgage. Fantastic. Perfect. All right. Well, I'll do that now. Thank you. Cheers. Thanks, buddy. Bye. So they said that the best thing to do is actually to email the estate agents and put an offer through on email. I've got to provide proof of funds, mortgage in principle, and some photo ID. That is it. So I will let you guys know an update on what happens if my bid gets accepted, what the procedures are from now, because I have no idea, and I'll keep you guys up to date. But for now, I'm going to write my email, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Hope you've enjoyed the episode, guys. Please follow my socials to keep up to date on the day-to-day life. There's going to be some more scrapyard content, more stuff on cars coming very, very soon. But I thought a lot of you said you'd like to see it. This is my sort of series vlog of me buying my first property at 21. A lot of youngsters like myself don't really know how to do it, or what you're looking for, or the things that you need to pick up on when you're doing it. So hopefully this can help out some people, and if not, just provide some naughty little entertainment. But until next time, guys, it's your boy HA. I'll see you later.